Hi, I'm Elena from Polygon Squad. Today we are going to see what is this button do. It's hard to see the objects in the back if you have more objects in the scene, so either you need to press Ctrl and Z keys to go to wireframe mode, or you can press Z key and select it from the menu. But if you click this button you can see through objects. Since objects are half transparent, you can turn it on all the time if you need. It's very helpful, you don't need to go back and forward to the wireframes again and again. Shortcut to X-ray mode is Alt and Z keys. Here is an extra tip if you watch this far. If you want to see the wireframe without going to wireframe mode, you can turn this on. In fact, I have it on my favorite menu. Right-click and add it to favorite menu. You can access it by pressing Q key on keyboard. See you in next video.